Good morning, everybody. Guess where we are? We are gonna attempt, no, I think we're gonna manage to hike the thing, the mountain, the mini mountain. I mean, I should be used to it. I'm from Switzerland, but honestly, I never ever go hiking. So this will be fun. You pay $15 at the entrance. And then there are two possibilities. You can either start from down there, from the base camp kind of thing, or you can drive up with the car. And then how many minutes would you say you save when you drive up here?
At least 30 minutes.
At least 30 minutes, yeah. So you save 30 minutes of heat and climbing. So whatever your fitness level is, you can decide. Do you guys have anything to say before we can have a heat stroke?
No, we're not.
No?
We're gonna do this.
Yes.
We're strong.
You have like a motivational talk for us?
Well, you know why they call it Christoffelberg mountain? I'll tell you the backstory.
Oh.
So there's this famous mountain climber, Christoph, and he came to Curacao, I think in the middle of the 18th century, and he was the first man to attempt to climb this mountain, and it was nameless back then. And he tried to climb it, but he had an accident about halfway up and he fell to his death. So because of that, they named it Christoffelberg mountain, and now it's very famous among mountain climbers in the world.
It's an awesome story. Now that is a fact. We're gonna write it in Wikipedia and it's gonna be a fact. Guys, I'm sweating like crazy. Oh, it's insane. This is our first rest stop. Bless you. That is gonna be the name of our group. Wash. Oh, and it's lovely because there is a breeze which helps with the immense sweating, and the view is already pretty nice up here. You can see the ocean. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but back there you see the ocean. How is everybody feeling?
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, we're good.
Are you gonna be Tarzan?
Or two.
Oh yeah. You are the king of the mountain, Rainy. You are. Karina Lievanus.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. You brave too, sit up there. No, no. I'm too scared. Emily, how high did you say this mountain was again?
375 meters.
Ooh,
It's not
okay.
that high.
No, it's actually not, but it seems higher. So we climbed the highest mountain on Curacao. Isn't that something? You know, I'm afraid of heights, but every time I push myself, I'm so happy that I do it anyway, because the view is always freaking awesome. Even though it's pretty crazy for me to get up here, but it's so much fun. So if you're ever afraid of something, just push yourself and try it anyways, because most of the time it's actually quite worth it. Alright, we're gonna go down again. I'm a little bit sad because it's so beautiful up here, and I'm also pretty scared to go back down again, but I'm sure it will be fun. And afterwards we're gonna go to the beach to cool off, so that is good. And I'm not gonna vlog now going down because I need to really hold on to the rocks. So we just came to Playa Kenepa Grandi to cool off, hop in the ocean. I'm looking so much forward to hop in the ocean. We're all sweaty and dirty, so it will be nice. Rainy, how do you feel about the iguana soup?
No feelings yet.
Nope.
I'm just curious.
I'm feeling very nervous. So we're gonna try iguana soup for the first time. All of them already had it once except Rainy and I. It's the first. Oh, Nikita. Oh yeah, that's true. Nikita also never tried it. So let's see how it tastes. Everybody says it tastes like chicken, but that's good. The only difference is it looks different because of the skin. So let's see. And
it's tougher.
It's tougher.
Tougher skin,
like,
so they say.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, it's more chewy.
High five.
High five. Oh.
It's like chicken wings with iguana. Iguana.
Iguana wings.
It's gonna be chewy.
It's hot.
Very hot. Has some buffalo sauce to go in there.
I wonder what this is.
Cool.
The soup tastes good. Okay.
Bad.
It's hot. Wait, I'm gonna try like this. Chicken. I didn't eat the skin though. I just had a little bit of meat. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm once again sitting on my toilet. Not peeing again, just sitting on the toilet. Yeah, I've been back home for, well, not back home. I've been in my B&B room for a couple of hours now. I've been editing videos and yeah, just chilling because today was a really tiring day. It was so much fun though. I honestly, I did struggle a little bit with my asthma and my fear of heights, but it was so worth it, and I'm so happy that I did it anyway, because the view up there was incredible and the sense of accomplishment was even better. So yeah, it was really great. I quickly wanted to address something before I end the vlog today, and that's the fact that I ate the iguana soup today. Some of you might know that I recently became a vegetarian a couple of months ago. I never really got into the reasons why. I'm also not doing this now. If you're interested to hear why, you can leave a comment down below and maybe I will make a video why I decided to stop eating meat. Not that I owe you an explanation or anything, but I know some people are gonna have questions. And I also know that sometimes in the internet people judge you right away without even knowing any of the background story. So I quickly wanted to tell you guys what the situation was today. For me, food has always been a very big part of traveling and getting to know other cultures. And when you go to a place where people offer you food and take time of their lives to cook a meal for you, for me, that is something special. That isn't just something to take for granted. I'm always very thankful and very honored if I get to kind of have a little glimpse into their culture and be invited to a meal, which is often a family time. So today, I wasn't too excited when I heard there was gonna be iguana soup, because if you don't know what an iguana is, I'm gonna insert a little picture so you know what it is. And I did try a little bit of the iguana meat. It tasted like chicken. And I didn't finish the meat. I gave it to Emily and she was more than happy because it is one of her favorite meals. So it was good, everything was good. The only weird part was the skin. You could actually see the skin, and I think Karina and Nikita had like paws like you could see the claws and everything in their soup. So for me as a vegetarian, it wasn't the nicest experience to see those limbs of that animal, but like I said before, I'm not here to judge anyone or any culture. This is very special for me, and I'm very grateful that I get to be here and to experience this. And the sharing of food can be a very special thing, and sometimes it's hard to turn it down somehow. I don't know if that makes sense for you, but I just quickly wanted to explain to you, I'm glad that I did try it, and I'm so thankful that we got invited to have lunch with them. It was lovely. Her family anyway, and his family as well, they are lovely people, and it was really, really great. And if any of you are watching, I'm saying thank you. It was really great. Yeah, that was my explanation, which maybe doesn't make any sense for you, but I just quickly wanted to add this. Tomorrow we're gonna hop on a catamaran. Catamaran. What is the right way to say it in English? I don't know. And we're gonna sail to Curacao, which I'm very excited about, because it's gonna be a nice boat trip, and we're gonna chill on the island and just relax and go swimming and chill on the beach, and it's gonna be awesome. So yeah, that's it for today. I think I'm gonna finish the video here, because otherwise I'm gonna forget probably. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. I have the feeling it's been a little bit all over the place, and I don't really know what I vlogged, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, that's it. I wish you a wonderful week, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.